What color is your eyes? Is it calming blue, forest green, hypnotizing gray, or a warm brown? Do you get tired of staring at the same permanent color of your eyes? In this video, we have 7 amazing things that we are going to share to you so that you can change your eye color. Do you have any idea what those are? Well guys, sit back and relax and we'll tell you 7 things that can change your eye color. Hi everyone! Welcome to Amazing Ideas, where we will be sharing some tips and ideas on natural ways to become healthy. Wellness, home remedies, natural care, natural cure, and some ways and means to stay safe and healthy. And always remember, life is beautiful. Are you perhaps curious to know how you would look if you have a different shade of eye color? Try using contacts to see how it would go. Thinking that the color of your eyes you have now is out of your control and that it is permanent and that it's purely genetic. Do you ever wonder how the eyes of a person who is enraged seem to have a darker shade? How about how lighter it is whenever you go out and your face gets the shine from the sun? What if I tell you that there are some other people out there that know that there is a possibility for us to change the color of our iris, depending on the emotion or the food we intake? Yes, our iris can change colors and that we have something that can change that. We have all gathered a few fascinating facts on why and how a person can change the hue of their eyes. But before we start, please thumbs up if you like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell below so that you will be updated every time we upload a new video. Number 1. Melanin and aging. Babies are normally born with gray or light blue eyes, but it darkens the older they get. It is because your eye color is controlled by the melanin levels in your eyes and by your genes. The level of melanin in your eyes increases as they pass by and your age grows, which then makes the shade darker for your eyes. However, some percentage of genes tends to go lighter as they age, as the pigment in your iris degrades or changes. If you have dark eyes like brown ones, then you have more pigment melanin than those who have gray, green, and blue eyes, who have less melanin in their irises. Some suggest that color may change a bit with age, but for almost everyone, the change in your eye color stops when you get past the first year of your life. Number 2. Your mood. With certain emotions, your pupil changes its size, therefore, changes your eye color and the dispersion of your iris color. The part of your eye that carries the color is called iris. When it changes size, the pigments of your iris spreads apart or compresses, thus results in a change in your eye color to a degree. You might have heard or read about someone stating that your eye color changes when you feel angry or when you are mad, and that is absolutely true. Number 3. An injury. Due to an accident or injury, the color of your eyes might have a possibility that it will change. According to a certain doctor in America, there is a condition that is called heterochromia. This term is often used to describe a condition in which you have 2 different eye colors. It can be caused by a disease or an injury, or it can be inherited. If you get your melanocytes shaken from trauma, it transforms your iris to a darker shade or lighter. But if your heterochromia is a result from an injury, it is advisable to hold yourself to an ophthalmologist and get yourself checked right away. There is also a doctor who stated that it might be a symptom for an illness such as glaucoma or early stage diabetes or Horner's syndrome. Number 4. Raw food diet and detoxing. There is a theory called iridology that the health of your internal organs is connected to the color of your iris. But there hasn't been any proof or evidence that is backing up that theory, and it still needs further investigations. A doctor named Robert Morris stated that he believes that the inner parts of your eyes are deeply connected to your digestive system, and by eating lots of vegetables and fruits, they might actually change the color of your eyes. If you turn your back on toxic and unhealthy food and start consuming a healthy diet like an all fruits and vegetable diet, the glow in your eyes will turn brighter and cleaner than what the original shade is, and the whites in your eyes will become brighter and clearer too. Number 5. Laser lightening of the eye color. Performing an invasive surgery for your eyes is extremely risky and might result in blindness, so please be careful with your decision of wanting one. Dr. Homer states that the laser surgery to correct your eye color does not come with so many risks. The procedure in performing this certain surgery involves the use of a laser in order to destroy the melanin cells in your iris to make it appear lighter. The operation usually takes up to 20 seconds to perform, and the results will be visible in less than 4 weeks. So, people who have brown eyes can now have gray or blue eyes. This research of his still needs a lot of analysis for any signs of side effects, but he guarantees that your vision won't be affected or whatsoever. Number 6. Makeup and clothing. If you want your eyes to bring out its natural pigment and make it pop out more, then certain choices of clothing and makeup can work its magic and miracle. When you wear certain colors of garments or clothing like a scarf, a hat, glasses, earrings, shirt, or jacket, it could temporarily affect the color in your eyes. Depending on the shade that you are wearing, your eyes may appear darker or lighter, and the same goes for your makeup, and that is crucial to how this goes since it will be the one that is surrounding your eyes the most. Number 7. Colored contact lenses. Well, the easiest way to change the color of your eyes is the use of contact lenses. All you need to do is go to a legit store that sells them, choose the color, and buy it. Then stick them in your eyes. But the question is, which one is the right one for you? A colored contact can correct your vision and is tinted. Decorative ones do not help in correcting your vision in any way since its purpose is only for cosmetics. You can either choose any natural colors or any creative ones like all white, all black, spider webs, cat eyes, or animated eyes. But please do remember to be careful while using those decorative ones because it might lead you to an eye problem. If you are planning to purchase one or more, get yourself a prescription that is medically safe and FDA approved. Blindness or corneal ulcers are caused by contacts without any prescription, and with that, you'll have more problems on your hands. With age, the shades of your eyes change as we grow older. It can also change if you went through a serious accident or trauma. Your mood can also affect it if you are angry or happy. It glows a shade darker or lighter. While if you eat healthy foods, your iris and the color white surrounding it shines brighter and will look cleaner. There are also other things that you can consider that changes the use of your eyes, like the clothes you wear or the makeup that you put on your face. You can also pay for a surgery or buy some contacts if you have a bigger budget. Just be careful when buying contacts and be prepared for whatever consequences you might face if you undergo surgery. Now that you know the things that could change your eye color, are you considering it? Please comment below if you've done this before and share how it went. Please share this to your friends so that we can help them in a little way. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video. And always remember, life is beautiful.